Hi, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install WordPress. So I'm on my cPanel. Whatever your host is, they're going to give you access to cPanel. So just log in and this is what you'll find. And then scroll all the way down. Under software, you're going to see WordPress. And also under Softaculous app install, you're going to see WordPress. So just click on it. So here is where you're going to find all your domains. But to install, you're just going to click install. You look for the domain you need. Make sure there's nothing here because this would make it a subdomain. And then I'm also going to change the password. I'm going to take this off. Then I'm going to click install. It doesn't take too long, so just give it some seconds. So after it's installed, just click on that to see what the site looks like. And as you can see, you have the default WordPress theme. You can also click on the second link to get to the dashboard, to the backend, or you can type wp -admin after this. So we're just going to click on this. So this is your backend.